So you're going to DECA at ICDC, and there are a few changes to the written event checklist that you're going to have to make sure that you're following. So you'll find the DECA written entry checklist for ICDC on page 54 of the PDF. If you have the book, I think it's page 52. Anyway, the changes you'll see more easily on the Ontario checklist. So the Ontario checklist has added that you're using 1-inch margins all the way around. It's added that you're using Arial font size 11. And it has added that there are no deductions for not using a folio at provincials. However, at internationals you must use a folio, and your folio is basically a plastic binder. It means that everybody's paper is in the same thing. It also means that your paper must be hole punched. I highly recommend that you also have it stapled at the top left hand corner, but it must be hole punched when you get there. If it's not hole punched and it doesn't fit in, then we won't even accept it at internationals. The Ontario checklist has these number 2 and number 3 in because it makes your paper more readable. Judges like to have a 1-inch area around the paper to make notes. They also like to be able to actually read it. Anything smaller than font size 11 is very hard for people to read. Anything that doesn't have a margin of 1 inch all the way around is also very hard to read. If you are using a border around the outside edge of your paper, I highly recommend that you get rid of it. It makes the paper look cluttered, and it makes it feel like they don't have a border to write in.